guys, welcome back to my channel, Slime Queen here, and I'm here with my cousin Ariana. We are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. We have all of our makeup ready and set her, and she's going to be doing a video on her YouTube channel, which is called
Caitlin and Ariana.
Yes, Caitlin and Ariana. She's literally filming right now over there.
Okay, so put the camera there.
All right.
Okay, I
So, let's do this tutorial. So, first, hi.
No, place it like
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Leave the camera where it is. I know what I'm doing. All right.
I need to sit.
So, I'm using this from this company first,
What
and
if my mom comes in?
then torture. And we have brush.
Wait.
We're not going to be using the brush right now.
Thank you.
What if the adults need to use the bathroom?
Caitlin is here.
I'm making a YouTube video. Well, I guess I have to move my butt over.
Oh my god.
Mom know
you're doing this?
Yes. Yeah. She said that we can use her makeup.
Yeah. Wait, so can you explain to me, is this your mom's makeup too? That's my makeup. This is all my makeup here.
Can you explain to me what you guys are doing?
Alright, so we're going to be doing like haunted hour makeup, basically.
Okay.
And Sanai's the one who's scared, but
Like, I'm
Sanai,
gonna be
you
like-
also have to do like a purple makeup.
I'm going to do pink.
Yeah.
Wait, but it depends on our characters. Who's gonna be the nice one?
I'm
Who's
gonna be like the scary one.
Can I be the nice with you?
Yes.
Partners. Okay.
You guys are sisters.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Can I use this?
But
That's-
this is
that's your
really
mom.
my sister. Like I didn't know what I'm
Let me
speaking.
just spray the brush out.
you could only say me and you can't even see your own YouTube. You sprayed me.
Sorry.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Can I use
So-
your makeup?
Ow! Look what's hanging. Look
Yeah.
what's hanging.
So we're going to take a brush and we're going to put the brush in our powder. Yeah. Like usual. And then we're just going to put it. Oh my gosh!
Some blush. Where does my mom have blush?
That's a lot.
Maybe I'll use. Can you pass me? Excuse me.
Yes. Yeah, so we're just going to keep on doing that, and then we're going to do it for our forehead.
Okay.
And then we're done with that. Clean it. And then, next we're going to be doing our blush. I'll just use my blush now. I'll just take this. And we're going to take that blush. And then, this is the human blush. Okay.
Oh, any of you want lipstick?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna get this.
Maybe we should do lipstick last.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't need a.
I look like nothing.
Oh my god, look at Ari. She looks so cute. Oh my gosh, just look at that dot on her face.
Allie, show your fans you.
Okay, wait.
Now let's do.
Do you know we don't have YouTube on Mom's phone, right?
We do. We have YouTube on her.
We're just gonna have to sign on. Or
All right.
Remember?
Or Mom will send it to me on my phone.
Now we are going to be doing eyeshadow.
Excuse me, Katie.
So let's use Ari's makeup actually. Ari's makeup. This is a picture of Ari's makeup here.
You guys should use your fingers. It's better with your fingers.
Fingers? No, I'm gonna use blush then fingers.
Wait, I'm gonna tell the girls not to come in the bathroom. Guys, don't come in the bathroom.
So we're gonna take some
There's something
pink.
going on. Don't come in the bathroom.
Now let's do the pink and let's put it in. So Katie,
No, just
Katie, you couldn't use purple, okay? Katie,
Sure.
I'll use pink.
Wait, so wipe this off?
You could leave it. You could just you could darken it with purple.
I'm just gonna wipe it off actually. Can I not do purple? Because purple is like an evil color. So can I do like a different color besides pink?
Yeah?
Like a blue or something?
Yeah, blue. Ooh, this pink looks so cool.
Wait, Chucky, the red Chucky?
Oh, yeah.
Did your mom just say the bread, Chucky?
The white Chucky. Okay, here are the lipsticks.
All right. Oh, my gosh. We have 10,000 lipsticks.
More than
That's a lie. All right, and then we're gonna take some even
No,
lighter
I'm
pink.
gonna look for my mom's blushes.
I have blush in my bag. Do you guys have blush?
No.
I don't.
I have blush.
I had to use my Kitty makeup, but I don't want to.
Wait, I'll just check.
Take some more pink. Then we'll use that in this. It looks like white for you guys on
Do
camera.
you want mascara tonight?
Yes.
Okay, wait.
Okay, we're gonna just
Oh
blend
no,
that
I
in.
have my mom will allow now if you want.
All right, then I'll just use mine. And this we're gonna take a little bit of magenta to darken the pink. Just to darken it a little bit, because we don't want to look like a devil.
I'm gonna put a little red lipstick over this.
So guys, I'm just gonna go see in the mirror how I look.
The thing about the blush is it's cracked, but
It's
you
okay.
can still use it.
So I'll be right back, guys. I just have to see myself in the mirror. Oh my gosh, I look beautiful.
Okay.
Okay.
Probably like there's only a little bit, but when you tap it, there's still a lot.
Okay.
And you can use this as a blush to this color.
Okay.
And I have lipsticks in here, look.
I need to put some perfume on.
These will definitely do.
Are you guys using some perfume?
No, not right
Oh my
now.
god, I forgot the brush.
So we're gonna take our
Yeah.
orange brush that we use for the powder.
Ooh, smell this.
Oh, that's supposed to like.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray it on me.
Put a little more blush because Katie says this
I
works.
got an extra brush in case. Thanks. Oopsies, can you cut that out?
What? All right, so now what do we do?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Now let's take
I have more lipstick. I have more
this.
of these.
What shade should I use?
I have more perfumes.
use like a light.
Guys,
Yes, don't do dark. Like, don't do dark. Ari's the dark person.
Yeah.
Because Ari is dark. Duh. Ari's fans, look at Ari. Now my fans, look at Ari.
Okay, look, I have different kind of perfumes.
Okay.
Oh, and I have two more.
We're gonna need so much pink in my life. Because I'm pink.
Look, I have
I'll use this one.
Honey, what are you doing?
My eyeshadow looks so pretty. Oh, I didn't even notice. There's glitters.
Ugh, I don't know what.
Oh no, you know my favorite one is this one. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, I'll use this one.
Don't use it now. It's my favorite.
Okay.
Katie, where does mom have blush?
So now, guys, let's try to find the lipstick color.
Is this blush?
Yeah.
Just use anything.
So we have a whole
No,
bunch
which
of
one is
makeup.
blush, Katie? Tonight,
Yeah.
is this blush?
Just
Yeah. No, the blush is that.
Or you can use one of those as a blush.
Is
if you
this
want. You're just
blush?
gonna have to use the big brush.
Yeah.
Okay.
This might do. But we need a pink, like dazzle pink.
Oh, I actually have.
Do you have like really pink?
I actually have blush. Wait, let me go get it.
I think I should have pink lips. So let's try to find pink lip, guys. Ugh. This can be pink lips. Let's see. Definitely. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is definitely.
Do you know some people use lipstick? Some people use lipstick for eyeshadow and eyeshadow for lipstick.
I use eyeshadow for lipstick. It's weird. What was that? I don't know what I just said. We need pink lipstick. Okay, we have this.
I actually have.
We
blush.
found it. We found the perfect.
I mean, like, don't push it up
Not.
too much.
All right.
Why
What?
is my makeup coming out like this? I accidentally put it at the side of my eye.
Oh gosh.
Oh my god, that's not how you apply it. This is how you have to apply it.
What?
Pad. She swiped it on her face. You have to pad blush.
Mom wipes. just like this.
I look fabulous.
Softly.
All right. Perfect. I am finished. Here's my final look.
I'm not finished yet since I just came.
Are you gonna be with me?
No, I'm with
Sinai, which is
So
me.
then why do you look like you're creepy out?
So I hope that you guys enjoyed
That
this
wasn't
video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.
All you know is I'm the best.
No, I'm the best. So
She used my makeup. So my makeup space.
all right. So yeah, and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell
Whose is this?
and subscribe to Katie's channel.
Whose is this?
That's Katie's. And yeah, so we'll see you guys next time. Bye.